In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Todoist with Slack. Connecting these two tools will let you create and manage tasks directly from Slack, so you can stay organized without constantly switching between apps. I'll walk you through the setup step by step inside the Todoist web app, and by the end, the integration will be ready for you to start using with your team. First, open Todoist in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. On the top left side of the screen, look for your profile icon. This is usually your photo or your initials inside a small circle. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu with your account options. From that drop-down, click on Settings. This will open a new settings window or panel where you can control things like your account, notifications, and connected apps. Give it a second to load if needed. Inside the settings view, look for the tab labeled Integrations. It's usually listed alongside other tabs like Account, General, or Notifications. Go ahead and click on Integrations. This is where Todoist keeps all the apps and services that can connect to your account. On the integrations page, you'll see a couple of sections. One shows the integrations you already have installed, and another allows you to find new ones. To discover Slack, look for the option or tab labeled Browse and click on it. This takes you to the full gallery of available integrations. Once you're in the Browse section, you'll see a list or grid of apps that work with Todoist. Scroll through the list until you find Slack. You can also use the search bar at the top if there is one, and type in Slack to locate it more quickly. When you see the Slack integration card, click on it to open its details page. On the Slack integration page, you'll see a short description of what the integration does, and usually some information about permissions. When you're ready to connect, click on the Add button. At this point, Todoist may redirect you to Slack's authorization screen, where you'll select your Slack workspace and approve the connection. Just follow the prompts, confirm any permissions, and once that's complete, your Todoist and Slack accounts will be integrated and ready to use together.